Have a nice day, guys. So in my previous video I show you how to search a basic search process in our home page. So if I show you that briefly in this video, we can press the search button, and now we can see our all categories in our e-commerce platform. So today is my part to talk about how we design our advanced search process. So in this video, this will be a front-end engineering video. So in this video I'm going to design this advanced search process, and I don't program it. You can see there is no items here, so I'm not programming this advanced search process in this video, but I'm designing this. Okay, now you can see this is the advanced search tab in our e-commerce platform. So in my previous video, if you watch that video, you can see we design our basic search process. It is in our home page. So this is another tab. We can come to this tab with using our advanced href. You can see there's an advanced hyperreference here. If we click on this, we can come to this tab. So we can search products by price range, and also we can select categories, brands and models here, and also there's a condition here and colors here. We can search our products with using these select text and this price range spans, and you can see there's a sort by tab here. We can search our products with these price ranges, I mean high to low, and we can search from low price to high prices, and we can also search quantity ranges in this tab. So this is the advanced search. So now you can see there's a sort by tab. It is a filter tab, so we can select price high to low and price low to high. You can see those selections, and we can select our product with using these selections. Like we select on our my product page, I mean seller page, we have some filters on that page. As same as that page, we have some sort items, I mean filter items in this page also. So you can see them. There's a four filters here. We can search our items with using these filters. So now you can see I include my footer here, and also I include my web page header here, and there is a background color here. I add background info color. You know that Bootstrap component already. So alright, now this is my design. So now let's go to our coding area. So this is my brand new file here. So we are in this video we are going to talk about only on this file, and there's a little bit of JavaScript here. We add the function here. That's nothing. And first I'm going to show you I add this on-click attribute with this advanced search command and get it to in JavaScript part. So that is the only thing I did. And now we going to a brand new file, and let's talk about that. I don't want to explain you about this head tag because we already know how to add this all. And now I am fast forwarding to this, and now you can see I give a class BG info, and output is you can see this light blue color in my background. So this background info color is light blue, so we can get light blue color in our background with using this class. So I add a content fluid here because I want to design with this Bootstrap, so I want to add the content fluid here, and I also include my header here, you can see. And now you can see how I design my title bar. If I show you the title bar, this is my title bar. You can see there's our website logo here, and also there's a advanced search span here. So now you already know we add our logo, our e-commerce platform logo to our own CSS file with using this logo class. So I include that logo class in this div box and set the height to 80 pixel. And also there's a paragraph tag here, and I type advanced search like this, and I center that text in this div box. And also you can see I add this whole bar in one container. If I show you that this is the main container in this title bar, you can see there's a bright white color. If you want to add this color to your website, you want to use this BG body class, and this is the whole container with my title bar. So I add my whole container to column 12 class and BG body class, and I add some marginal button like a 2, and also give a row here, row class here. You already know how we can design a container, or how we can design a div box, how we can design into a div box with using Bootstrap components, Bootstrap classes, and our own CSS classes. So this is the title bar design. So now we are moving to our search. Now we are moving to our search input field, and how I make this search button here. So I'm making another div box here, and you can see I give some classes for that div box, and I set that offset, large screens offset, and also give a column 12, give some column large 8, which means if we want to search our advanced search in large screens, we can search like this. It's like this, and if we want to search like with our mobile phone, you can see like this. So this is the responsive page, so we can also access it with large screen and mobile phone screen. So I set all sizes with these classes, and now I give input field like this, and set a form control class and placeholder. I give a placeholder for my input field, and make this search button here. You know how to make search button, you know how to make any buttons with Bootstrap classes. So I give outline primary and text uppercase, and now I'm giving it to font weight like this, and now you can see it's bold, it's bolder here, so it's now it's okay. And moving on to next line, we have select category selection here. You can see there's a selection, 3 selection tabs here. I load my database category items here, and also database brand items here, and model items here. So now you can see there's a select category selection here, and also there's a brand selection here, and also a model selection here, condition selection on the below, and color selection also on below. And now you can see there's a 5 selection items here. I load my database category items here. Now you can see I load my brand items here, database brand items, and model items here. These loading process is familiar to us because we already know if we wanted to get our database item to our website, we want to make some variables like category result set, and we want to put the search query here, and we want to connect with our database, and also we need to create this $category number variable here, and I'm taking this interaction between numbers and category results, and also give a for loop because I want to loop my option tag, and in this loop I want to get my database names in this option tag. This process is same as in brand process. You can see I add same variables here. Change is there's category result set and there's brand result set. So nothing changes than that. And I also want to loop my brands for my option tag, and I do that. And also there's a model here. I program equal as above 2 selection things. You can see I connect my database and get a search query, and I want to search my models from my model table in my database. And also there's for loop here, and there's a condition here. We want to search from condition table, and as same as we did, we want to add some result set variable and number variable, and wanted to make for loop and this option tag here. And also colors selection tab is also same as above things. I'm not going to explain that. You can see there's a same code here. The change is we change our variable name. If I show you the example, you can see the result set variable. I change this like a col, and in this condition result set variable, I set this a con, and there's a model selection tab. It's a result variable is model. So now you can see what's the change and what's the equal things in this program. So in this design, I add this program part because programming this is nothing to us, because now we already know how to load these items to our website. We already know that. We already did that in a bunch of times. So now we don't need to hard code them, and after in my program we don't need to program them. So let's get rid of our hard coding things, and now we can load our database items to our website easily, because we know how to work with that search queries, and how to connect that database, how to make that result variables, numbers, and what the fetch AJAX. We already know. So there's a double span here. You can see price from and price to. That means we can search with price range. So I give that spans, and one spans for column 6 and other span for 6, because website column is 12. So 6 plus 6, 12. And coming to this line, we are making that selection tag here sort by. So this is a filter, so we can filter out these 4 items. I made that with Bootstrap border style, so I give this border class here, and now you can see I give this border start 0 and border top 0, border end 0, and I use this border primary shadow like this. You can see like this. And I need to make that div box here, but we don't have any product in this div box because we don't program this page yet. So I wanted to show you there's no item available here, so I give this search logo here, and also give this span here, no item search date. I get this logo with Bootstrap website. You can go to Bootstrap website and search that logo name like search, and now you can get logo and download copy your download SVG file or copy this code. And I set font size like 100 pixel for this search logo, and get at the middle of the page, and you can see and I give this no item search yet span for these classes, and give a h1 class because I want to do large kind of letters, and I give this text black 50 and fw bold, and we also include that footer, and get our script files link with this file. So I made this function here because we need this function next day, and also you need to give this on click attribute to this home page advanced hyperreference. So this front end engineering part will be a quick video, and it will not be any more longer. So our programming part is coming soon, so I will bring you that video next day. So I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.